What's up? I'm gonna teach you how to solve the 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube. Okay, so first step in solving the 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube is knowing cube notation. Alright, so I'll use the black side, which is probably your white side if you're learning, unless you went straight to black, but yeah, which is probably your white side as the front. The front is the side that's facing you. Blue side will be the top, unless it's like this. Red side would be the top, green side would be the top, or orange side would be the top. Doesn't matter, but this is F. This is F is front. U is up. Right is R. And left is L. Alright, now, if it says R, then it's the right side clockwise. If it says R prime, it's the right side counterclockwise. If it says F, front side clockwise. If it says F prime, front side counterclockwise. It's the same thing for every face. So U clockwise, U prime counterclockwise, L clockwise, L prime counterclockwise, D clockwise, D prime clockwise, or counterclockwise. Alright, now that you have notation, you can scramble a cube and start solving. Okay, now that it's all scrambled, everything's out of order, it's not all the same, it's not like it was in the package, you're ready to start solving it. So, hold on real fast. Alright, so you should look around the cube and look for a side that's already done the most. Well, you'll get what I mean by done the most once I tell you, but I would usually look around and look for the side that's done the most for the way I'm teaching you. What you want to do is start with the white side, which is the black side on my cube. So, what you do is, the first step in doing this is getting the white cross. But on mine it's a black cross. White cross is the first step. Alright, so people might think it's easy. Oh yeah, let's do this. I can do this. And they'll do something like this after about 15 minutes of figuring it out. They'll get something like this and be like, oh, I solved the corner too. You didn't. This is all wrong, really. When you solve the white cross, everything has to be in order, which means this would be half correct. It would be, if you match one side up, this has to match up too. If you match that up, this has got to match up. Everything's got to match up as you do it. So, black and black, red and red. Black and black, green and green. This wouldn't be right. Black and black, blue and orange, that's not right. Alright, so I'll show you with how to solve the white cross. So what you want to look for is a black piece that's in the bottom layer, which would be the yellow side. Look for a black piece that's in the bottom layer. This is black and blue. So you take it, blue, line up the two blues. They're lined up. Since it's in the bottom layer, all you got to do is rotate the face 90 degrees. And that does that. That's two black, two blue. And you got one little line. Now, what you want to do is solve another piece that's in the bottom, but you might end up with this case where you get this right here, the black and red, it's in the bottom, rotate it so that red matches up, red, you rotate it up, and it's flipped the wrong way. So there's an algorithm for this. It's front, up inverted, right, up. And there you go, that solves that. It doesn't mess this up, and then it puts that in the right spot. Now what you want to do is get the next piece. So you look for a piece in the bottom. Look for that piece in the bottom. There it is. It's black and green, and this is a algorithm. Now, if you want to, you can do front, up inverted, right, up, or you could do front inverted, up, left inverted, up inverted. Most of the time I do the second one. I don't do the front or front right up or whatever that is. I don't usually start with front. I usually start with front prime or front inverted. Sorry, I'm stuck in 4x4. Alright, and this one's already in the right spot, only flipped, so let's do that. I did that way just to show you guys it again. Alright, now once you have this black cross or white cross, you want to solve the white corners. Now, this is another one of them things where you need to look for a piece in the bottom and find the correct centers to match it. So black, blue, and red. So you find black, blue, and red. So red and blue, and then black is up on the top. So top 3 centers is all in this bottom left hand corner. In your left hand is where you want it, or in your right hand, I'm sorry. Alright, so this algorithm will get this corner up here. You do this algorithm total of 5 times to get it there, depending on where the bottom cubelet is. Alright, so this will only take 1 because the black side is on this right, but you don't need to worry about that. I'll teach you other stuff in a different video. So to get this is right inverted, down inverted, right, down. That puts that corner in there. You find another corner piece that's right there, orange, green, put it in the right spot, right inverted, right, down. All these are going to be the right thing, so hold on. Alright, so now you get another piece, orange, blue, black on top, black in the piece, right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down. That time I had to do it 5 times. That is exactly what it means. Like, it could be anywhere from 1 to 5 times. You have to do right inverted, right, down before it's there. But just keep doing it until it solves it. And if you go over 5 times, then it's not in the right spot, or it's the wrong piece. And you have to make sure it's lined up with the centers and everything. Alright. Look for your last one, line that, get that in the right spot with right inverted, right, down. And I'll show you how to solve these 4 corners, these 4 edges in part 2.